The Bikeflights Bike Box Large is optimized for shipping most larger-sized bikes, like full-suspension mountain bikes and e-bikes. It easily assembles to a size of 62 by 13 by 33 inches. It's designed so that you don't have to remove your rear wheel and rear derailleur. Packing the Bikeflights Bike Box Large is a simple process that requires you to do these 5 key steps. First, remove the pedals. Shift rear derailleur to the easiest to pedal gear. Remove the front wheel. Remove the handlebars. Remove or lower the seat and seat post. Use the supplied packing materials to prepare your bike for shipping. Place the bike in the box from either the top or side and secure it in place with the appropriate spacers and bungees. Once your Bikeflights Bike Box Large is packed, use bikeflights.com to ship your bike with confidence.